Yellowfat, you're gonna give us 7-year-old juice? Malamang expired na yan ngayon, girl. Go to the market street to buy the necessary goods. Okay? Shopping. Sa shopping tayo. Tapos hindi nagbigay ng ng pambili. Ang galing. so abonado pa kami. No, wala ni. Alright. Here we are.
Hey there, Yellowfat.
May
That's right.
kamukha tong si
Keep this
Yellowfat.
between us for now.
I can't put my finger on it. I'm thinking something na hindi Genshin. Kasi of course, kamukha niya lahat, all the other woman NPCs ng Genshin. But I'm trying to think of someone outside of Genshin. Magkakamag-anak mga NPC, ha? I mean, true enough. And like, di ba nga, yung sina Nurse Joy tsaka si Officer Jenny sa Pokemon, di ba? They're cousins, right? So, I imagine they're the same here in this universe.
Package them separately, would you?
Are those also decorations?
Nope. What's this crate of juice doing here?
That's on the house. 7 years ago.
Akala ko yung line niya was like, 7 years ago, we found this weird crate of juice and it's just been waiting here for an opportunity for us to give it to someone for a good reason, di ba? You're seriously, Yellowfat, you're gonna give us 7-year-old juice? Malamang expired na yan ngayon, girl. Kakala.
So, send her my regards, would you? And have fun.
Ano daw? Ang pangalan niya? Mahina Nui. Mahina Nui. Ay, palakas ka. Charot.